Lalita Shastri, architect and IPC IIID Bangalore. SMARC is a corporate member, and we are thrilled to be here as we believe strongly in practical learning and we believe in factory visits. It was very enlightening to see how a product is made, and I think once you see how a product is being made and what goes into the making of the product, there is a trust factor that you build. And then once you are convinced, you are able to convince your clients as well.
I am Gunjan Das, Chairperson IIID Bangalore chapter. I'm an architect and interior designer. We did a lovely walkthrough of the whole facility and really enjoyed and appreciated the technology and the thought behind producing a product like this. It seems like a very superior product in terms of taking care of every angle and every aspect of a door, so that it becomes a one-stop shop for all the issues that get involved in the door. So we had a really nice time, and thank you so much, Team SMARC.